For our next lesson, it is about rational equation. For competency, the learner identify rational equation operationally and follow the steps in solving rational equations. For our lesson proper, so this is the definition of rational equation. So rational equation is an equation that contains one or more rational expressions. So here are the example. Okay? So we have quantity of x over 5 plus 1/4 is equals to x over 2, and 1 over x is equals to 1 over 5 minus x. So here are the steps required for solving rational equations. Step 1. Eliminate all fractions. When solving rational equations, you have a choice of two ways to eliminate the fractions. So option number 1, multiply the entire problem by the least common denominator or LCD. And then option 2, you can across multiply. So option 1 will work for any problem, but you can only across multiply if you have one fraction equal to one fraction. That is, if the fractions are proportional. Step 2, simplify the resulting equation. So to simplify the equation, you may need to distribute and combine like terms. For step 3, solve the simplified equation. If the simplified equation has any higher powers, such as x squared or x cubed, you can solve the equation by getting it equal to 0 and factoring. So if the simplified problem does not contain any higher powers, then solve for x by getting the x on one side and the numbers on the other side. For step 4, check each solution. Substitute each solution into the denominator of the original question and reject any solutions that cause the denominator to equal 0 because this makes the problem undefined. So we have here example number 1. So x over 5 plus 1/4 is equals to x over 2. So yung solution natin, multiply both sides by the LCD 20. LCD nito is 20 di ba? 5, 4, and 2. Okay, so, kasi di ba, kukunin nyo yung multiples ng 5, dapat pare-pareho sila. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20. And then yung 4, multiples ng 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So, may 20. Kung saan sila yung pinaka maliit na multiples na nagtagpo-tagpo. And then, ganun din yung 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, hanggang sa makarating ng 20. Okay, then multiply both sides by 20. So, we have 20 over 5 is 4 times x, we have 4x. 20 divided by 4 is 5 times 1 is 5. Okay? Na-cancel na to kasi dinivide na. Okay, and then this one, 20 divided by 2 is 10 times x, 10x. And then, so ito na yan, 4x plus 5 is equals to 10x. So, apply the distributive property and then simplify. Okay, so, we have to transpose 4x to the other side. From positive, it will become negative. So, 5 equals to 10x minus 4x. So, 10x minus 4x, 6x. And then, divide both sides by 6. So, maka-cancel to kasi magiging 1 na lang So, x na lang yan. And then, this one is 5 over 6. Okay? So, the value of x is 5 over 6. Pwede rin nasa kabilang side yung x. Nasa kabilang side naman yung value ng x. Okay, and then we have here the quantity of y plus 3 over y minus 1 is equals to 4 over y minus 1. Okay, at first, multiply both sides by y minus 1. Okay, so y minus 1 and then times y plus 3 over y minus 1 and then equals to y minus 1 times 4 over y minus 1. So this will be cancelled out. Okay, so maka-cancel po ito. So, may iwan na lang is y plus 3. And then, on the other side, maka-cancel din. Kasi y minus 1 divided by y minus 1 is 1. Diba? So, 4 na lang ito. Okay, now, so, y plus 3 is equals to 4. And then, we have to simplify. So, wala namang problema dito sa y. Y na lang yung naiwan dito. Okay, then, we have 4 here. And then, transpose natin yung 3 to the other side. So, from positive, this will become negative. So, y equals to 4 minus 3. And then y equals to 1. So, ito na yung final answer. Okay, thank you, class.